Hi and welcome in this new video. In my previous video I showed you how to build this T-80 BVM bunny, but I also asked if any one of you guys wanted to see or are interested in if I could make a Russian version for it too, because this one is the Ukrainian, and if you want to play more modern type of Battlin bricks, micro brick battle game, then you need an opponent. Well, I have my doubts if I should do this video because I feel a little bit uncertain about the ethical side of this conflict being an ongoing conflict. But many of you just ask me, please show us that tutorial too. So here it is. In this video you see the modified version of this one, this being the original version, and it's actually almost the same. The only change are the barrel thing on the end and the claws being replaced with just fenders. Before I get numerous comments about the thumbnail flag being wrong, and also in the tutorial it's wrong, I made it white, red, blue. It should be like this, of course. This is the Russian flag. I mixed up the red modified plate and the blue plate. I put the blue plate under that one. It should be on top. So that's this little disclaimer on the instructions that isn't correct. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed enough, and if you make one or both of these, please leave a comment in the description. Also, NE Warbricks, the original designer of this version, link to his Instagram account below, also to my Instagram account. And if you want to see stuff I do next to the YouTube series I'm making, please go over there and give me a follow. If you want to stay updated about videos that are coming up, leave a like, but also subscribe to my channel and put on notifications so you get notification in your app the next time I upload a video. So in a few seconds I'm going to show you all the parts needed. It's a two-shot parts list. Pause it, search the bricks you need or order them from Bricklink. Special link in the description too to my own Bricklink store. And after that, step-by-step instructions. I hope you like it enough to give the like, a comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next video.